Always come prepared. So you need to organize the files and the materials that you will be using before the session starts. Checking your battery level before the online session could help you save time during the online session. If possible, try to wear headphones to help make your voice clearer. Avoid any light coming from behind. Instead, it's better to sit facing the window or any lighting source. Having a simple background will help to reduce the distraction of the students' eyes. Placing your iPad at the same level as your eyes will help make better communication with your students. Don't place the iPad too close. Try to put it at a decent distance. Make sure that your phone and iPad are in silent mode to avoid any distractions.